Hi, this is a short tutorial on making a video player using ffmpeg and Qt. So we'll use Visual Studio 2019 and open Visual Studio 2019 and create a new project. So from the template, we'll select Qt widget application. So this will give a nice GUI for our application. So our project name will make a video player. Create the project. So this is the header file and the CPP file of our project video player. Now from the Solution Explorer, take form files and our video player.ui file. Open it and we'll add one push button and a widget where we will display our video. So adjust the size of the widget. Right click and change the style sheet option. Change the background color. I selected as black color. And push button properties, I'll change the object name as button start and the text as start. Now we'll go to the header file and we'll add an event of push button clicked. So it's a private slot void on button start clicked event. It's a void. Okay, we'll go to the CPP file and I will add a I will create a definition for this button clicked event. So it is video player on button start clicked. So here we'll write the code for making the video player. So before that we have to add ffmpeg include and library file. So I'm copying from website to my project folder. So these are the include and library files. Now I'll add the header files in my. Now I will add the include and the library folder into my project. So go to project properties and C++ and add include folder and go to linker and general. Add a library folder also, and input will add all the dependency library for our project. avcodec.library, avformat.lib, avutil.lib, and sdl2.lib. So SDL library also we are using. Now we'll include these header files in our project. So type extend C and include library AV format and library AV codec and library AV utils and SDL2 library. Now we'll write the code for the video player. So first we'll write or we'll open the file using the API function vformat open input. So for that define a format context with AV format allow context and open the file and give the dictionary options null. So use the return value for error correction or error detection or any to find out any error in opening the file. So next API function is AV format to find stream info. So this will give all the details of the files like number of streams, duration, width, height, etc. Everything it will give. So we'll find out the video stream from the file. So for that we'll iterate through each streams in AV format context. So if a stream property stream codec type is video, we'll take as video index as that value. So we'll define an integer video index. So we'll get the video index value. This is the index of streams in the format context of video streams in the format context. So we got the video streams. Now we'll define the codec context to decode the stream. So using the stream codec ID, we'll get that AB codec. Now AB codec context will open with the obtained codec. Copy all the parameters from the stream to this codec context. So the function is AV codec context. So the video parameter we are copying into the AV codec context. So use this return value to find out any error in the functions. Now we'll open the codec context using the function AV codec open to. So this null is the dictionary options. You can give any options in ffmpeg defined dictionary options. So we open the codec context to decode the file, and now we need to initiate SDL functions and XDL parameters. For that we'll define some parameters like XDL texture, XDL renderer, and SDL rectangle. Width and height also will define, and we'll write we'll create one function initiate SDL. So in initiate SDL we'll create a window from. So we are using SDL create a window from the widget that in the UI file. So widget windows ID win ID we are using to create the window. Using that window we'll create the renderer. And using that renderer we'll make the texture. So SDL create a texture using the renderer, and the pixel format will use IYUV because this is a YUV 420p format, and other XDL flags. So from the decoder we obtained, we'll initiate the values of width and height, and we'll write the function initiate SDL. Now we will read the packet from the format context. So for that we will define two structures, AB frame and AB packet. Now we'll read the packet from the streams. So inside a while loop, we'll use the function AB read frame. The arguments are the format context and the packet. So and if the packet stream index is equal to video index, we'll process the packet. So we'll decode. So for decoding, first we'll use the API function AV codec send packet, and the second function is AV codec receive frame. So use the return value to find the errors. So AV codec receive frame. So the received frame will use for displaying. So we'll write a display function. To avoid any memory leak, free the structures of AV frame and AV packet. Now we'll create definition for the display function. So first is SDL YUV update or update YUV texture. So the inputs are the texture and the frame data. The Y plane, that is frame data 0 and its length, frame line size 1, frame license 0. Then the prominence data like frame data 0, frame data 1 and frame data 2, and the corresponding size also, frame license 1 and frame license 2. So we'll initiate the hexagonal rectangle, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and its height and width correspond to codec context height and width. These are not slot, these are private members. So build the project. Okay, there is an error with link.exe, so it go to video player project properties. In the linker input, it's okay, general. Okay, library one more dot is required. Build the functions again, build the project again. Okay, DLL file is missing, so copy all the DLL files of ffmpeg to the video player project folder. So I already downloaded and copied it to the project folder. Now run the project. Okay, we have to initiate the SDL functions also. So SDL initiate video subsystem. So this is playing the video.